you did to me at lunch today. You were ashamed to be with me.
No! I was ashamed to be seen with you. I like being with you.
I'm sorry, but you have no courage.
How can you say that? Shh. Thought I heard my mom. How can you say that?